Hey guys, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. If you have not already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and become a wonderful part of our YouTube family. Don't forget I have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on as well, so definitely I will link that video up above and make sure you enter. I want to thank everyone again for helping this channel grow. As you can see from the description, we do have a new subscription to unbox today, so I'm really excited. This is the Jerkoholic box. It is a monthly beef jerky subscription. This was kindly sent to me for review, so I definitely want to thank Jerkoholic for sending this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be sharing all the information as well as a link to get you to their site to order, and we're going to go ahead and dive into this box. It does say try me, I dare you, so that is interesting. And let's go ahead here. We're going to open it. Okay, so I did want to, whoop, camera's moving. There we go. I do have my handy dandy notebook here to make sure that I am able to give you guys all of the correct information about any products. And this is Jerkoholic is a premium beef jerky subscription. Boxes do start at $14.99 a month. You can use code ADDICTED to get 10% off your first month. Like I said, I will leave a link to the site and that code down below. They do ship worldwide. They do have free shipping on select boxes because they do offer 3 different subscriptions. They have the Weekend Jerkoholic, which is 2 bags of 6 ounce for a 6 ounce total. That's the $14.99. They have the Original Jerkoholic, which is 3 bags for 9 ounces total. That is $29.99. And they have the Big Time Jerkoholic, which is 6 bags for an 18 ounce total at $49.99. So they do have options for every budget. So let's go ahead and dive on in here to this box and see what we got. Okay. Oh, I've got the green squigglies. Love squigglies. So, the very first one on top is the black pepper and garlic beef jerky. So that sounds yummy. I know my husband will absolutely love this. And then we also have applewood beef jerky. So again, my husband will absolutely love this, as well as myself. So we love beef jerky around here. Even my 8-year-old son loves beef jerky. So this is great. We do have one more. So it looks like this was the original Jerkoholic box. And this is Wicked Awesome beef jerky. We'll read a little bit about this one. It's got natural smoke flavor, brown sugar, garlic, hot sauce, pepper sauce, spices, cayenne pepper, chili powder. So this one's going to be a little bit more on the spicy side. Definitely, again, my husband loves beef jerky, but he also loves anything spicy, so this will be right up his alley. So I am actually very, very tickled with this. Again, this product was, if I did not already say, this was kindly sent to me for review. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, I will make sure to link everything down below to get you over to their site plus that code. Again, this was the Jerkoholic box, and because like I said, I know they have different, this would have been the original Jerkoholic box. This was the 3 items. And all their packages are 3 ounces, so this was for the 9 ounce total. And again, we got the Wickedly Awesome, the Applewood, and the black pepper and garlic. So definitely hop on over there, give them a try. If you love beef jerky and you can get it in a subscription box, that is amazing. We know we love our subscription boxes here on this channel. So again, please make sure to subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely see you guys soon. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.